morning all. Today I am here with the topic understanding. Understanding what is understanding? Understanding of a subject. The knowledge that somebody gives you, when you understand some topic or some subject with your own capability. आपका कोई भी एक सिचुएशन को अपने वे से समझना, अपने वे से उस चीज़ को समझना कि येस दिस इज़ आपके पास वो नॉलेज होना कि येस मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में आ रही है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ वन सेल्फ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग समबडी एल्स इज़ वन थिंग. आप किसी दूसरे को समझ रहे हो, उनकी सिचुएशंस को समझ रहे हो, वॉट एवर दे आर फेसिंग, आप वो चीज़ समझ रहे हो. बट येस अगेन अंडरस्टैंडिंग वन सेल्फ इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट वन सेल्फ, when you talk about understanding yourself or your oneself, that means knowledge of understanding your own capabilities. आपको अपने character, अपनी feelings, अपने motivations के बारे में समझना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Self knowledge, right? Self knowledge, human understanding, that is very much important. Because अगर when you understand yourself, self understanding, अगर आपके पास अपनी एक level of understanding है, then only you can pass it on to other people and you can keep them also and understand them in a better manner. Importance of self-understanding. Self-awareness is important because when we have better understanding of ourselves, self-understanding important है. वो इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि जब आप अपने आप को सही तरीके से समझते हैं, you have an experience that yes, how to deal with people, how to talk with people, दैट इज़ ये सारी चीज़ें कब आती हैं? जब आप अपने आप को अच्छे से जानते हैं. यू नो योर ओन कैपेबिलिटीज़. वी नो द वर्ड सॉर्ट, राइट? सॉर्ट मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड थ्रेट्स. ये सॉर्ट वर्ड तब होता है, दैट मीन्स आप अपनी स्ट्रेंथ जानते हैं, आप अपनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जानते हैं, आप अपने थ्रेट्स एंड अपने वीकनेसेस जानते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो योर सेल्फ. Because when you know yourself, then only you can do something for yourself, then only you can move further in your life. And we are then empowered to make changes and to build areas of strength again. जब हमें पता होता है कि हमें कहाँ सही होना है, कहाँ हम गलत हैं, कहाँ हमें अपने आप को ठीक करना है, तो then only we work on those things. Till the time we don't know about ourselves, we will not be able to work on ourselves. And we will not be able to bring changes on ourselves, and again we will not be able to give good results. Because जब आप अपने आप को ठीक नहीं कर सकते हो, when you cannot make yourself a successful person, you cannot work on anybody else. Okay, so it's very important to work on those things. Very important for you to work on improvements. Components of self-understanding. The components of self-understanding are identity, body image, self-esteem and role performance. Whatever you are performing, what is your self-esteem, what is your body image, you need to know about those things, right? Personal identity is the sense of what sets a person apart from others. Again, you should know what is your personal identity is, what you are known for. You should know this. Are you the same? What are your characteristics? What are your traits, right? What you are known for. अगर आपको अपने बारे में ये पता होगा, then only you can say that yes I am, मैं उनसे अलग हूँ, right? Then only you can characterize yourself, otherwise you cannot. Okay, it may include person's name, gender and their occupation and roles. For an example, if in an interview, if there is an interview and there are hundreds of students sitting in the class, okay, and interviewer is interviewing, how you will say that please select me and don't select other person? कैसे कहोगे? Till the time you know that yes I can do something better, मैं कुछ better कर सकता हूँ, आप उसको select कर रहे हो, मैं उनसे ज़्यादा अच्छा करके दिखा सकता हूँ, then only you can say that please select me and don't select that person. Because you know that yes you have the confidence to work on yourself. आपने अपने आप पे काम किया है, आपने ऊपर अपने मेहनत करी है, एंड यू नो कि येस आप जो भी चैलेंजेस आपके पास आएंगे आप उनको प्रूव कर पाओगे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द पार्ट्स ऑफ सेल्फ इंक्लूड इज सेल्फ नॉलेज, योर इंटरपर्सनल सेल्फ एंड एजेंट सेल्फ. ओके, नाउ द ह्यूमन नीड्स. What are the human needs we talk about? You know that one of the Abraham Maslow's a hierarchy of needs. ये needs we are talking here about needs. इस hierarchy की हम यहाँ क्यों बात कर रहे हैं? Why? Because motivation is a very big point when we talk about needs. Every physiological needs is the need when you talk about roti, kapda, makan, food, clothing and shelter. This is your very important first survival needs. Every person requires it, right? And in life, slowly and gradually only we move further. Why? Because we understand that yes, जब हमारी एक नीड पूरी हो जाती है तब हम आगे बढ़ते जाते हैं. Because every person in life, when we get stable with this thing that yes, we have food, clothing and shelter and we are surviving in a better manner, then we move further to the security needs. And in security needs, what we get insurance, we get good job, right? These are our security needs. When we get security, when we are, we make a mind that now we are secured, then we move to the belongingness need. What a belongingness need means, that yes, society, people should know you by your name. They should, आपके पास, you should have a car of your own, you should have a house of your own. So वो belongingness needs. Again, वो needs हमारी जब पूरी होती हैं, again we move with the esteem needs. Again we should have a good name in the society. People should know you, people should love you, right? They should know, yes, this person is there. ये सारी needs. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We try to attach with different corporations. Corporates के हम join करते हैं. Somebody joins in parties also, different parties we join, like BJP or anything we join. We join. Why we join? Because हम अपनी social needs को पूरा कर रहे हैं. Okay, then we move to the self actualization needs. And these needs, what we do, जब हम ये देखते हैं कि हमारी सारी needs पूरी हो चुकी हैं, we have completed with every need, now we require self actualization. In this stage we try to do something for our own self. We try to write down something, we try to write down something of our own, we try to spend time of our own. So that is self-actualization, which means that yes, something which I have done for myself in my life. So that is self-actualization needs. So with this, I will like to end with here, and we will be moving further in the other videos. Thank you, people.